Should say recording now.
Yep.
Is it recording?
No, it just says REC,
That's
not recording.
It's probably about the same though.
It's probably abbreviated because it's such a small screen.
Yeah, I couldn't afford the big screen version. It cost extra. You two guys are too cheap. You don't pay anything, so can't afford good stuff. Did I do that right?
Actually, you did on the left.
Oh, I'm using my right. I'm holding with the left.
Spinning to the left.
Trying to confuse me, weren't you? Now I can get all this junk out of here. That one fell out. That one's tight. You didn't bring the punch with you, did you?
Didn't bring punch. Maybe some eggnog.
I got punched by that box in the back. Remember? Damn thing cold cocked me almost. Looks like we've done that before. Oh, look at that.
It's quite easier now.
Perfectly good case now. Yeah, it worked a lot better than last time. Okay, now I gotta get these nuts off of here.
I just stuck it in the vise and wrenched it off of this.
Oh, that's cheating. Gotta use brute force around here. Look at that. Perfect. Cheetahs won't go all the way through. Uh-oh. What thread was that?
Yeah, of course that I know. What?
Of course it's going to go on. My holding power is getting weak. Too much eggnog. Yeah, that was some holding power to do that. Look at that. We got bolt burn. That was a tough one. I was protesting all the way. Persevered. Or pissed all over it, one or the other. Okay, that's good. That's good. Not ugly ass anymore. Ooh, a nice hammer. Where'd you get that? Looks just like mine. Okay, where's that clean rag we don't have? It's this one over here.
Oh, you have clean rags right here?
Yeah, look at that. Someone sent me all those. I've been using them too. Cheap ass like me, I actually use them. Look at that. This was a clean rag until I did this. See, it's the number 2 flywheel. It's also number 41. So has he been watching the videos?
Sorry?
Has he been watching any of the videos?
I'm assuming. I know he's been kind of busy with other stuff too. I told him they were on there. I'm sure he's glanced at them at the very least. He picked up a 67 Chevy pickup and he's been working on that.
Yeah. Same here as the bike.
Yep.
Planned it that way or just worked out that way?
His dad used to have a 67 old blue. He got rid of it, and so this is kind of bringing it back. Found it, some old farmer had it sitting for 30 years, and he picked it up.
Is it blue?
It is. Dark blue, though.
Oh.
Old blue is light blue.
Uh-oh.
But
to repaint it.
he was back there Labor Day week, putzed around with it and got it running, and did some brake work on it and stuff, so it's coming together.
Stuff is so cold and old, or both. I think it's just cold. Doesn't want to smear on there correctly. Well, smeared on. Break down, work on one of your motors one of these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get it next year.
Well, that'll be next year. Ain't gonna be this year.
Yeah. This year's just about gone. See, how many motor back is yours?
Sorry?
How many years you've been in line?
I don't know.
Are you at the front of the line yet, or are you still working the way through? Are you in front of JR or behind JR? Somewhere like there. Here's another one back there that's really old too. Man, this stuff is hard. Uh-oh. Is that the mailman?
The locked? That's the mailman.
You're still here.
I got some mail for you there.
On the stool.
Huh?
I got some mail there for you.
I already took it earlier. I
Oh.
came in earlier to deliver a couple. I had the big one.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
All right. Happy holiday.
All right, you too. Have fun. You did come by.
Oh, we did.
6:15. He's not working late, is he?
Yeah, making the big bucks.
I don't think they get paid overtime. They just get paid to deliver a vehicle.
Yeah, I know.
He's got a really long route. He frequently comes by late. The latest I had him here was about almost 8.
Hmm.
That's a long day for them. Looks like I got a box of crap. Something. What'd you buy?
I don't know.
Got my Christmas present up there.
Couldn't tell you.
It's whatever I paid for. I don't remember though. I don't remember. Something important, I'm sure. Oh. Chasing after someone again. It's starting to warm up. I'm holding it. It's starting to flow easier, see? Alright, I think we got it. Did I get all the right spots? Alright, where'd the filthy rag go to? Where is the filthy rag? Is this the new filthy rag? It's pretty oily. I don't know about filthy. It is oily. Multiple rags around here to clean my hands with. Okay, that's oil, that's oil, that's oil. We got oil on everything. Bitchin'. I put the new drain plug in on this one for you. And I found the old crappy one in there.
Hmm.
Smear it in a little bit. Okay, where's the bolt we're going to use? Let's see. Which side do you want to have the long thread on?
Doesn't matter to me.
Carbonator side or on the,
Probably.
or on the cable side?
Probably on the carb side in case you put a strut, support up there.
In case I put a carb on it. Okay, we'll put the good one in there. As far as that one goes. Mounted. Okay. what kind of cardsport even run stock. What do they run on these bikes? You remember?
I'm sure.
I don't know either.
The one I see's got an S&S on it.
Yeah, those are different. It's definitely going right at the limit. Right there at the limit. There it is. Blowing it up or taking pictures?
Do what?
Blowing it up or taking pictures?
I'm haven't adjusted that at all, just leaving it like it is. Gonna work?
It'll tighten up. It's flush.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to have another thread on both sides.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to have it. I got a big gouge in there. How'd that happen? Oh, I guess the bad side. So who put a big gouge in that? Did they put a big screwdriver in there or something? Or?
Somebody at some point had to get it apart somehow,
Yeah, it was,
and they weren't using their head.
yeah, there's a big gap in there too. Look, you can see the stud. I hope it doesn't leak there.
Me too.
Yeah, that's got a huge gap in that thing. Look at that thing.
Mm-hmm.
See the stud. See what it looks like after we torque it.
Yeah, I'll just screw some JB into it.
Yeah. That should have been done before, like we did up here on the cover over here.
Yeah.
Probably didn't notice the gouge. Probably just looked like casting screwed up like they always were.
Yeah.
How come this one doesn't go on there?
Bunch of mung on the threads, probably.
Yeah, this one wasn't much better. That was the problem. Nice. There it goes. Let's go get over the bad spot. Trying to get away. There they go again. Shooting. Hey, we're out of washers. What happened? Did you count correctly? Keep thinking something goes in that hole. You get plenty of nuts out. Flush. All right. Really tight. That's tight. Crank got me. Tacking me. Closed up a little. Can't see the stud no more.
That's good.
crank turn, they lock up solid. Oh, it turns. Amazing. Now, this will make a nice black streak around the whole motor. Appears to have some residue on this rag. I don't know how that happened. That rag's too dirty to use for that application. We'll use this one. Lots cleaner. Now, this is not the time to find out you put the rod in backwards. I've done that before though.
Right.
Yeah. So, oops. And you can take it all back apart again. All right. How's that look?
It's good.
We're going to clean the blocks to stripe off all the way around or leave it? A big mess. We do have to get off the motor mount bolts. This is not the correct rag for doing this. Too fine. Something more aggressive. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. We gotta clean this up.